So the Vesper Martini comes from Ian Fleming's first James Bond book, Casino Royale, in 1953. But the interesting thing is that book was never turned into a movie initially, until of course 2006 when Daniel Craig played that role. Now the great thing about the Vesper is that as a bartender it was something of a secret handshake where you would walk into cocktail bars, order a Vesper, and people would be kind of like, "Hey, how's it going? You work at a bar?" But you know, then obviously after the film came out, that kind of went out of the window because everybody knew what a Vesper was at that point. But that's not such a bad thing, because it also meant that more bartenders had to learn how to make it, and therefore you've got a decent chance of getting a good one whenever you go to a bar now. So, given that we're at home, let's make sure that we can make one just as well, and I'm now going to show you how to do that.